Hello everybody. I'm going to label this video advice needed. So any carpenters out there, anybody that knows anything I guess about woodworking and wood rot and all that stuff, go ahead and leave a comment in this video please. I'm going to make some cuts here and I'm going to ask you my question in just a minute, but to ask my question I need to show you the boards. So I'm going to go ahead and mill up some boards quick. We'll get to the boards, and then I'm going to ask you guys my question, and please leave a comment, suggestions on what you think I should do, because I might have a little bit of a situation, nothing we can't fix, but I do have a question and I do need a little bit of help. So please leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. Okay guys, here's my question, here's my little issue. When I went out and cut all these logs, my mind was, I'm gonna build a frame and I'm gonna side this with these logs horizontal, just like your house, okay? And what I was gonna do, because obviously these aren't cut, right? But I was gonna rip these down, and if this board's 7 inches, this board's 6 inches, whatever, that doesn't matter to me. What I was gonna do is I was gonna take this other board, just rip it in half and kind of leave this live edge on here, right? Just for character, and clean that up real nice. So I was going to rip this in half and put this board, you know, like this. So you just kind of layer it over the top of it. And now this is up in the air like so. However, upon talking to a few people, we were wondering if that's a bad idea, for the simple fact of with this tipped up, and when it rains or snows, not going to drain off of here properly, water's going to get trapped in here, and that this is going to rot faster. Now I know it's going to rot within, I don't know, 5 years, 10 years, whatever. I might do some sealing on it. I'm trying to get that figured out right now, how I'm going to do that. So I don't want it to rot right away. So my other option is to basically build it like this, right? You go vertical with your log, straight up and down. Of course, this is only like 2 or 3 inches, and then your water runs down. Now, my problem with that is I was going to build this. I wasn't going to do original roof. I wasn't going to do like a 5/12 pitch, a 6/12 pitch. I'm going to do it on a slant, okay? And this side of the wall is going to be about 7 feet tall. I was just going to go 7 feet. This side of the wall is going to be 6'6". Now, the reason I want it so tall is I'm 6'2", so I want to be able to stand up there. You get your boots on and you get a stocking cap on and stuff. I want to be able to stand up in there. Problem is, if I do these vertically, I cut these at roughly 6 feet. So I was going to go 5.5 by 5.5 square. So my options are to do it horizontal like I was thinking, and you know, just layer it and see what happens, hope for the best, I guess. Or I could do it vertical, cut all my boards at like 6 feet, and then just do like another 2x2 on the top, and you know, do another foot up. Or I could do, I don't know, this is called like the shiplap. If you lay your boards like this, you know, and kind of do like an inch, overlap on them, something like that. But then you see you're gonna have a gap there. So then what I would have to do is take another board maybe and, I don't know, trim this up somehow and maybe put some foam insulation in there, or some caulking, or something like that, and then I could still do it horizontal and it would probably still drain down and maybe be okay. So my options are shiplap, vertical, and you know, patch in the last foot, horizontal like I was planning to do, hope for the best. Or you know, none of these are, that one might be close to 7 feet, but it's small. I'll use that for something different. Or I can go cut a few more logs and cut them to 7 feet. Some of these, I might can check some of these and see. They might be, you know, they're getting kind of punky. They've been here a few years. Or I can go cut some more boards and cut them at 7 feet and see what happens. So that's kind of my situation, guys. Again, if you could please leave a comment and you know, what would you do? How would you build this? It's a learning experience. Like I said before, I'm no professional, don't claim to be, but I do want to build something nice. And the reason for building this is it's something that I built with lumber that I cut, rather than just going and buying plywood at the local lumber store. And if you saw my other video, it is cheaper. Like I am saving, you know, 280 bucks I think by milling all my own lumber. I enjoy doing it. Something fun I like to do. Making the videos, it's all fun stuff that I like to do. So again, please leave a comment. Let me know what you think I should do, because I just need a little bit of help here, and I don't want to overthink it too much. Maybe I'm overthinking it. Maybe it'll be just fine. I don't know. But thank you for your opinion. Flew. Oh, that's nice. Seven inches of board there all day long. 7 above today. 40-mile-an-hour winds and up to 2 inches of snow we're supposed to get. All nice parts. Even the end is nice. Like, round that off and use that for something maybe. I don't know. We'll see. This will be another 2 feet up on the side of my wall easy. So 2 logs, 4 feet up now. So that is good. Really good. You know, maybe you guys have, maybe you haven't checked out some of my other videos, like snowmobiling to get logs for milling. If you have, thank you. I'm gonna make some more of those because I gotta get out there and get some more wood milled up here this weekend. I know it's in the snow, so that's what I'm doing here, is getting the snowmobile ready. I'm gonna get out there in the morning and get some milling. Now tomorrow morning it's supposed to be 7 below, I think. 8 below, somewhere around there. It's supposed to be cold anyways. So I'm just trying to get some gas in the snowmobile tonight. I'll start this up, kind of drive it around, just make sure that everything's good. I haven't started it for a week, so we'll do that. Get everything together. We'll get out there again in the morning. I get up early and watch the sun come up again, and we'll mill up some logs and go about our day.